Hey everyone, it's Lenasil here, and today I'm thrilled to share an incredible opportunity with you. If you've been thinking about getting into trading, or if you're already trading but want to explore new platforms, this is the perfect chance for you. Primex Broker is celebrating its second anniversary, and to mark this special occasion, they're offering a $30 gift account to new users. That's right, $30 credited directly to your live trading account, and the best part, no deposit is required. But wait, before you click away, let me tell you something important. If you don't watch this video until the end, you might miss out on some crucial steps to claim your free $30. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this incredible opportunity. Stick with me and I'll guide you through exactly how to get your hands on that free cash. Plus, I've got some insider tips that can help you turn that $30 into even more. So, if you're serious about making money with trading, make sure to watch the full video. You won't want to miss a single detail. Now, before I dive into how you can claim this offer, let me tell you a bit about Primex Broker. Primex Broker is a trusted online trading platform that offers a wide range of financial instruments, including Forex, commodities, indices, and more. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Primex Broker provides a user-friendly platform with advanced tools to help you trade effectively. They've built a strong reputation over the past 2 years, focusing on transparency, security, and customer satisfaction. With their easy-to-navigate platform and responsive customer support, Primex Broker is an excellent choice for anyone looking to trade in the global markets. So why is this $30 gift account such a fantastic deal? First off, it's completely risk-free. You get to experience live trading without putting any of your own money on the line. This is especially beneficial if you're new to trading and want to learn how the markets work without the fear of losing your hard-earned cash. Even if you're an experienced trader, this $30 can be used to test new strategies or explore different markets that you might not have ventured into before. It's a great way to expand your trading horizons without any financial commitment. Claiming your $30 gift account is incredibly easy. All you need to do is head over to the Primex Broker website. Once you're there, sign up for a live account. The registration process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. After that, your $30 gift account will be automatically credited. This is a limited time offer to celebrate their second anniversary, so I highly recommend taking advantage of it as soon as possible. Once you have your account set up, you can start trading right away. Let's talk about how you can make the most of your $30. With Primex Broker, you can trade a variety of instruments, but if you're new, it's important to start small and choose the right markets. For instance, you might want to start with Forex trading. Forex markets are open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, offering plenty of opportunities to trade. You could also consider commodities like gold or oil, which are popular due to their volatility, providing potential for significant gains. It's also crucial to manage your risk. With $30, you want to avoid high-risk trades that could wipe out your balance quickly. Instead, focus on low-risk, high-probability trades. Use stop-loss orders to protect your account and take advantage of any educational resources that Primex Broker offers. Many traders have already taken advantage of similar offers in the past and have seen great success. I've heard from several new traders who started with a small amount like this and have grown their accounts significantly over time. One story that stands out is of a trader who used their gift account to practice and refine their strategy. Within a few months, they were consistently profitable, and now they're trading full-time. This $30 gift account could be the beginning of your own success story. Primex Broker's platform is designed to be both powerful and easy to use. You get access to advanced charting tools, a variety of technical indicators, and the ability to trade directly from the chart. Plus, their platform is available on both desktop and mobile, so you can trade on the go. They also offer demo accounts, which are a fantastic way to practice your trading skills without risking any real money. And if you ever need help, their customer support is always there to assist you. In conclusion, the $30 gift account from Primex Broker is an amazing opportunity to start or expand your trading journey. Whether you're just getting started or you're an experienced trader, this is a no-risk way to explore new opportunities in the financial markets. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to sign up and claim your $30 gift account today. Make sure to use this chance to learn, grow, and potentially profit from the markets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips, reviews, and great deals like this. I'll be bringing you more exciting content soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for listening, and as always, happy trading.